Shabby chic style transforms any bedroom into a haven of romantic elegance, with vintage touches, soft textures, and a muted color palette that evokes calm and sophistication. Inspired by 19th-century English decor, this style combines the worn with the refined for an effortlessly cozy atmosphere. Here are 10 practical ideas for achieving an elegant shabby chic bedroom, from architectural details to floral accessories. These suggestions are easy to implement, ideal for moderate budgets, and will help you create a personal and serene space. Discover how to infuse love into every corner. 1. Moldings and baseboards on the walls for a shabby chic bedroom. Key idea. Moldings and baseboards add depth and a vintage architectural touch, elevating simple walls to a level of refined elegance. Currently, materials are sold pre-cut in plaster or crackled white wood moldings, and tall baseboards in a Victorian style. Key elements: install moldings on the ceiling or halfway up the wall to create panels, painted in creamy white for an aged effect. How to implement it? Measure and attach the moldings with adhesive or nails, apply chalk paint for a matte finish. Combine it with pastel-colored walls to make it pop. Personalization is key, add subtle gold details in the corners for a luxurious touch. Tips: choose inexpensive moldings from DIY stores, this detail defines the style without major renovations. Other ideas you can implement are the use of curved moldings for a more romantic look in feminine bedrooms. Two. Door moldings for a shabby chic bedroom. Door moldings add symmetry and historical character, transforming simple entrances into elegant gateways that frame the space. Personalization creates timeless elegance. Use wood or MDF panels with carved designs, painted in white or pearl gray, ready to glue or cut. Ideally, apply molding around the frame of the bedroom's main door, using antique brass hardware. How to implement it? Remove the old door if necessary, attach the molding, and paint to unify the look. Add a porcelain doorknob for authenticity. For a more personal touch, a small bag of dried flowers or a ribbon on the doorknob for a shabby chic touch. Tips: use templates for precise cuts. This is also ideal for closet doors. 3. Monochromatic floral arrangements in a shabby chic bedroom. Arrangements in a single color create visual harmony and freshness, incorporating the floral essence of the style without overwhelming the space. Flowers in white or pale pink, roses, peonies, in vintage ceramic vases are most commonly used in this style, so I suggest placing a monochromatic bouquet on the nightstand or dresser, with subtle foliage for texture. How to implement it? Assemble the arrangement by cutting stems and placing them in water. Refresh weekly. Use dried flowers for longevity. Personalization: choose shades that complement your pastel palette. Tips: soft pink arrangements for a modern shabby chic bedroom. 4. Highlight art on a vintage pedestal for a shabby chic bedroom. A vintage pedestal elevates art as a focal point, adding drama and sophistication to walls or corners. For that personal touch, place a carved wood or faux marble pedestal with a floral canvas or vintage portrait on top. The key is to place it in a corner next to the bed, illuminated by a floor lamp or wall sconce. How to implement it? Clean and paint the pedestal if necessary. Select art in antique gold frames. You can also use framed family photos as personal art. A very vintage idea is a pedestal with an angel sculpture, as we saw in the video. 5. Pastel color palette in a shabby chic bedroom. Soft pastels create a serene and feminine atmosphere, an essential foundation for a relaxing bedroom. Always consider personalizing your bedroom with your favorite color, such as powder pink, sky blue, mint, and off-white for walls and textiles. The key element of these bedrooms is light pastel walls, accented with cushions and curtains in the same shade. How to implement it? Paint a feature wall in pastel, incorporate it into bedding and rugs. Tips: use matte paints for an aged finish. A popular variation is pastel colors with touches of lavender for an aromatic bedroom. Six. Large format art in a shabby chic bedroom. Large pieces of art add visual impact and personality, transforming the wall into a narrative canvas. Large canvases or prints of floral landscapes or Victorian women in ornate frames are ideal for personalizing your bedroom. The key is to hang the painting above the headboard to draw the eye. How to implement it? Measure the wall and hang it with sturdy hooks. Choose textured art for a shabby chic feel. Or use abstract floral art in pastel shades for a more modern style. If you have irregular walls, use modular art and create your own masterpiece. Seven. Walls with authentic materials in a shabby chic bedroom. Materials like wood, brick, stone, or aged plaster provide genuine texture, evoking the authenticity of vintage style. Consider reclaimed wood paneling, vintage print vinyl, faded floral wallpaper, or whitewashed walls. The key to adding elegance is an accent wall with whitewashed wood behind the bed. How to implement it? Apply the material with adhesive, seal for durability and to personalize your space. Combine with floating wooden shelves, artwork, and lighting. Eight. Shabby chic lighting in the bedroom. Soft, vintage lights create warmth, with lamps that complement the romantic aesthetic. Small chandeliers and wall sconces with frosted glass shades are perfect. Don't forget the key elements: table lamps with a ceramic or gold metal base and a white linen shade. How to implement it? Install sconces next to the bed. Use warm LED bulbs. If you want to personalize your lamps, add custom shades with lace. Another trendy option is string lights for a modern touch. Nine. French-style windows for a shabby chic bedroom. French blinds or curtains filter the light gracefully, adding romance and privacy. For a personalized style, white linen curtains with ruffles or painted wooden blinds can add the touch you desire. I invite you to apply the key elements: long curtains that fall to the floor, with satin bows. How to implement it? Hang them on decorative rods, combine them with sheer curtains for layering, and if you wish to personalize, lace trim adds a feminine touch. Large windows are ideal, and to add privacy, you can combine thick curtains with lighter fabrics, closing one or both at a time as needed. 10. Plush cushions for a shabby chic bedroom. Bulky cushions add comfort and texture, inviting relaxation on the bed or sofa. The best are cushions in velvet, linen, or cotton with floral prints in pastel shades. The key element is to use between 4 to 6 cushions on the bed, in varying sizes for depth. How to implement it? Stack them at the headboard with mixed patterns, use removable covers. If you enjoy embroidery, you can add initials or vintage motifs. Tips: mix textures for tactile interest, and depending on your cushion selection, you'll achieve your personal style. Think fringed cushions for a bohemian shabby chic look, linen cushions for a rustic effect, or ruffled cushions for a vintage style. With these 10 ideas, from elegant moldings to plush cushions, your shabby chic bedroom will be an oasis of refinement and warmth. The style lies in the soft, vintage details that create harmony. Start with 1 or 2 changes to see the transformation. Which will you try first? Share your ideas in the comments.